This year we've been overwhelmed with the numbers. Yesterday was record numbers. Today it's only midday and already the room's full. Significant number of young people and young plumbers, particularly apprentices, attending this year's event. So we're trying to capture and engage with tomorrow's world. I mean, the bedrock of Graham's is stability. The people that are here, we've been here a number of years. For us, it's all about bringing through the youth, both internally through staff and engaging with the younger customer. But it's also about having the experienced members of staff here as well to recognise the customers that come back year and year. This year we've had over 25 minibuses and coaches, and they're our regular guys, so it's really important to engage. Some of these guys we only see at this event. It's really important this year that we've engaged with the younger community. It's about that mix. So if you look in the room today, we've got people that have been coming for 10 years, we've got people that have been here for the first time.